Change of leadership, isa ring mainit na issue yan, pero nakita naman natin na ito will die a natural death, ika nga. No? And this has not actually crossed the border of getting the interest of the majority of the members. In fact, nagpakita ng suporta ang mayorya, no? More than the majority. If the majority is 50%, I think it's even more than that number that the members signified their support, no, for the speaker or the leadership of Speaker Martin Romualdez. Hanggang ngayon nananatili ang mayorya ng membro ng Kamara na sumusuporta sa programa at sa liderato ni Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Wala rin planong mag-resign.
Walang planong mag-resign, walang planong pagtatanggal, at wala ring plano na magkaroon ng palit ng liderato dito sa mababang kapuluran.